Hello, this is my name is Tim Townsend, and I want to show you an extended version of the plant machine of Wooden Marble Machine Incorporated. And this machine has thousands of parts. It has every part has 3 to 5 chemicals applied, primarily to obtain a very glossy finish. It's unbelievably difficult to do this. Every part has to be sanded and so forth and so on. So what I will do is to pass over the machine with my camera just to show you the individual parts and talk about them. And then I will turn the machine on. So let's start with this side. As you can see, there is a lift in the center, and on either side there are bowls, and at the bottom there are those blue gadgets are machines that actually lift the balls back into the major lift, the vertical device in the center. It's a very complex apparatus, and has taken many hours of work to get correct, to compensate in various ways. Then moving on to the center, we have another lift in the center and various cascades for the balls to follow down to the devices that once again lift the balls over to the tray to take up and start the process again. Then onward, there's the other part of that. There is once more another lift, a third lift, with once again various modules in which the balls can drop, and a few extra ones that I have. Now then, a couple of comments. As I said, every single part here has been covered with 3 to 5 different chemicals to bring out a glossy finish. However, some, like this bowl right here and these bowls, these bowls and these bowls have been epoxied with a machine that I had to build to bring out the to ensure the proper flow of the epoxy when drying. So let me turn on this machine. I won't say very much. First, I have to deliver the balls. The lip column. These are very reliable. This was the most unreliable lifter that I had, in addition to these back here that accumulate 2 balls before dropping. This accumulates 2 balls before dropping. And down through this cascade. So let me turn on this machine, turn on these. You can see the balls are being delivered to the top, to those devices at the top called upper wings. down through these different modules. Now, as you've seen in other pictures, these modules can be replaced with others, such as the ones that I have over on the side. Let me start these. Back up to this other lift. Now, so here you see an accumulation of balls that for some reason didn't make it through and turns out that the more balls that you have in the system, the greater the chance they're sticking